Hi gardener friends, this is Pen from Homesteading with Pentapa Berry. Welcome to my channel. This is my planting calendar for my area, and each year I have this calendar and also my seed starting tracker. See what I have started this year. So I have the plant that I wanted to start, and I have the date and the record, how many days each one took to germinate. So I have this calendar, and it is important to know when to start your plants, and you don't want to start too soon or too late. And on this side I have a lot of trays on a big heat mat over here, and let's see what I have and see if they have come up. Okay, here I have some peppers and they haven't come up yet, so I'm gonna cover this tray until I see some sign of green emerging from the soil. And let's take a look over here. Okay, these guys, they are ready to be under the light, so I'm going to uncover them. And here, peppers. Okay, they're already sprouting and they're getting to come out, and there might be some that haven't emerged from the soil yet, but it's okay. I want to protect this guy from getting leggy, so I'm gonna open the whole tray and I'm gonna put a light on them also over here too. So if you see any sign of green emerging out from the soil, just uncover immediately, because it's gonna get used to the environment under the dome, and it's gonna be too warm. They're gonna try to reach to the light. They're gonna get very long, leggy, and spindly. So now I'm gonna have the light on, and I'm gonna put something under the tray to make sure that they get closer to the light, about 3 inches from the light to the soil surface, and then I can adjust the height of the tray. Okay, let's take a look over here. What I have here, these are basil, sweet basil, and they're under the grow light. This is very close to the light. This is about 3 inches apart, and I have something under the tray to raise up these cells to get closer to the light. And I have some hot peppers over here, and they're looking good. They're not too leggy. Over here as well, these guys are doing really good. And as you see over there, the blue tags label, so every time when you plant something, don't forget to label them right away, because you can forget, and sometimes you might think, oh, okay, I'm just gonna walk away and come back and label them later, but it happens that you might not remember. So as the day that you plan to plant something, get the label and the marker ready. What I use garden marker that can last a long time, and also like you can use anything. You can use like plastic or anything that you can find that's kind of waterproof. And here's the marker that I use, and it's called garden marker, and it's really good, and it's not gonna fade even like through the sun, the heat, the moisture, and it's very good. So also over here I have some sweet potatoes growing in the water. I'm trying to grow their slips, and soon when it's getting longer, I'm gonna cut each slip out and put in the water, and then replant them in a small pot until I can plant them outside. Okay, just a little tour today from my plant room, and I'm gonna update you again when these are growing more. See you again next time. Bye.